For my plaid week day 4, I wanted to include some of the things that I found while I was shopping at Walmart. So the first set of pajamas that you actually saw, I purchased. I got 2 of them. Every year Micah and I wear some type of matching pajamas, and those are the set that I purchased. They're men's, but I'm sure they'll fit just fine. And then I just kind of wanted to take a look around the store. I really went in for the pajamas, and I just kind of wanted to see what else they had. Like that Nutcracker bag at the top right that you saw, I also bought that as well. And I'm just kind of checking things out. I'm actually going in a gingerbread route for my wrapping, and only because I purchased it before the Christmas season began, and I thought I was going to decorate my house in a gingerbread way, and then I flipped and went the plaid route. So because I already have all the gingerbread stuff, I mean, I could have just held on to it and did the gingerbread wrapping next year, but I'm gonna roll with it. And so I really just kind of wanted to look at the plaid stuff. I didn't really want to buy all of the bags because, again, I'm going in a different look. But yeah, so I'm just kind of checking things out. The stockings weren't plaid, but I thought they were really cute. And I don't know for anyone else, but whenever I see blue, green, and red, I think plaid. So I thought those stockings were really cute and had the potential to be surrounded by plaid. So I really liked them, and I was actually really surprised by Walmart having something that cute. It just really gave off Target vibes, so I liked it. Then I'm just kind of checking things out in the ribbon section and the ornament section, just trying to see what they have that's plaid. And all these little mini ornaments are so cute. I absolutely love them, especially now because they're like the perfect size for junk journaling. So just picking out some of the cute ones, and then I rolled over here and found this really beautiful plaid. I mean, it was the only one in this set. Maybe it was supposed to be somewhere else. It kind of has like a frayed edge. I bought that plaid ribbon, so I'm going to be junk journaling with that as well. So the plaid ribbon did come home with me, and then I'm just kind of checking out all of these really pretty ornaments. The plaid house is super cute. The plaid house kind of gives me 70s vibes, and I really liked it. Now these ornaments reminded me of like how Plaid Week actually started. Like these ornaments are a perfect representation of like my love for plaid when I first found Martha Stewart. Now these Christmas tree tags I also bought. I thought they were so freaking cute, and so I got them for, you guessed it, junk journaling. So yeah, then I actually found another set of pajamas. I wish they had these in my size and Micah's size, because I would have got this right here. This is my favorite plaid, the one with the more white background, but they didn't have my size. But anyways, that's it for the shop with me. Now let's get into the Dollar Tree Christmas packs. Alright, so if you guys missed Plaid Week Day 3, I will link it down below. I did a Dollar Tree haul, a massive Dollar Tree haul, and in that video I thought I was going to construct these little Christmas packs, but I simply ran out of editing time, so that's why I'm splitting it up. And yeah, so definitely go watch if you kind of want to see the haul of everything that I got for each pack. And yes, it's Plaid Week and this isn't plaid, but like I talked about what kind of plaid means to me, it's not always the pattern. But anyway, so I'm basically constructing these little like Christmas goodie packs, and I explained in yesterday's video how this is kind of how I package my Etsy kits, and I was thinking about how cute it would be to do like an all Dollar Tree themed little kits for Christmas time as like little presents. So I just love the clear bag, and if you do love plaid, you could obviously do like a plaid bow or any kind of decorations on the outside, but I did want to basically keep all of the bags clear because the concept was so that you could see everything that's in the bag. I loved gift giving, and I also equally love coming up with unique and different ways to give presents, not just wrapped in a box or in a gift bag. So this is kind of another idea to give a gift, under the tree, and just kind of have everything packaged with a theme. You could have a theme if you wanted to. Like these first two are my little pink packs. They're super cute. They're pretty random. They don't have to be themed. They could be completely random. It just depends on obviously who you're gifting for and what you think they'll like, stuff like that. So that really is kind of the gist of these packs. Now I will link my clear packs down below. So these are not from Dollar Tree. Okay, these I actually have for my Etsy shop, and I get a whole pack of them from Amazon. But you'll see that I end up using some that are from Dollar Tree. The problem with Dollar Tree is that they're not wide enough. However, towards the end of this video, you will see some other pack options that you can pick up from Dollar Tree today. So in the next one, we're going to use the same packs that I get again from Amazon. And yeah, so that's basically the goal, is to just kind of create little Christmas packs or Christmas goodie packs, or like whatever it is that you want to call them. But for the person receiving it to just see everything at a glance, I think it's so fun. It's a very unique way of giving a gift, and I absolutely love finding new ways to give gifts. I don't always like the traditional of the box or the bag. I always like to still find, you know, different ways. And this was actually really fun, and you can kind of go wild, you know, in Dollar Tree and do themes. Some of mine I felt like had the themes, like with the pink packs, but they don't all have to be like Christmassy, you know, it could just be to whoever's receiving it and what you think they will like. So this one has an extra Christmassy pack to it, right? We've got the coloring book and the stamps, and the chocolate bar is so beautiful. I think throwing in a candy to any of the Christmas packs is just going to make it so much more festive, cute, and fun. This next pack has a full-on theme. It's just straight up Mickey Mouse. So there's a lot of things at Dollar Tree that you could get that's Mickey Mouse. These are just a couple of items that I picked up: comic books, some markers, the pencils or the crayons. Super cute. Now with this pack, I wanted to actually show you guys what it would look like if you were to add a bow. So, you know, if you do love plaid, or if you just want to make it extra festive, you could absolutely add a bow here. And you can still see quite a bit of the gift. Now for me personally, I like it without anything. I think it just kind of like adds to the whole concept, but on the flip side, the bow is still really cute and makes it look a little bit more Christmassy. Now here is an option from Dollar Tree where we're using a loot bag. So you can pick up these loot bags today, and as you can tell, these bags aren't very wide. So we couldn't have executed the previous packs you just saw using this loot bag because it just wouldn't have been big enough to fit those wider items in the coloring book. But there are things at Dollar Tree that can fit in here very well and still has that concept of the clear pack. You can see everything in it. So here I'm adding some activity pads, some candy, and then just some of the basket filler to make it a little bit more festive. I am using an ornament from Dollar General. This is $1.25. So it's the same prices as Dollar Tree. And I actually really prefer the ornament over the bow. I think it's like an extra gift that kind of just adds to the whole Christmas pack. Now here's an option that you can pick up today to execute the pink bags that I did before, and just the wider bags that you can't necessarily do with the Dollar Tree loot bags. So these are like the basket covers. I forget what they called these. Pretty large, so what I did was I cut it in half, but you want to pay attention to where, you know, the edges are sealed, because we are putting things inside of it, so we don't want anything to fall out. So as you can see here, I have 3 closed edges. The left and right, and then the bottom. So only the top half is open. So even though, as you can see, there's a lot of material to the right, I didn't want to cut it off, because if I cut it, then I'm opening the edge on the right. So I'm sure you could still have cut it off, you know, and not had all the excess material, and you could just tape it up, and that would work as well, because that's actually what I end up doing. I end up taping the excess material. So, but I just kind of wanted to make you guys aware that if you're going to do this option, that you keep in mind that, you know, you got to make sure the sides and the bottom are sealed so that your items aren't falling out of it. So here I am folding it over. There's that excess material, and then I'm just going to simply tape it. That's all I did, as I just taped up the back, which was just fine, and then yeah, you get the same effect without having to wait for those plastic bag options from Amazon. Here's another pack that I decided to do. This is using the loot bags, and I just wanted to make it look really pretty and kind of girly. So I'm adding the grape Sour Patch Kids from Dollar Tree and then all of these fun novelty lip balms. And this was actually one of my favorite packs. So here they all are together, and just so you can see, like, at a glance, how fun is it to just kind of see everything. There's going to be another clip of me talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this clip, and I'll see you next time. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys the finished packs. This is the one where I used the gift bag. You saw that I cut it in half at the top, but then I folded it in the back just because it had a finished side and I didn't want stuff to kind of spill out. And it was just an easy way to kind of keep the bag intact, but I just didn't need that much material. So I just taped it up in the back and I was able to fit the book, the little stuffed teddy, and then the candy bits on that one. Here is probably one of my favorites. It just has the red and green. We got the Vaseline in here, the stamps, the chocolate Santa bar. I even decided to add the little clay ornament. This is from Dollar General, but it was $1.25. And then just so that it could look pretty on both sides, I flipped the coloring book, yeah, so that you can see that. Love that one. Here is the Mickey Mouse one. This is the one where I added the little bow, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about, where it just looks so pretty without anything extra, in my opinion. But I could have flipped the Mickey magazine on the other side, especially because the bow is like covering the Mickey Mouse word there, but we added all of the coloring bits to that one. And then another cute one. This is the one where we used the loot bag, and I added the activity set, I added the basket filler, another little charm from Dollar General to make it fun, and candy. So super cute. And then probably just the top favorites are the pink Christmas packs. They are so cute. And here is this one with how to be single. We have a bunch of the lip glosses. I was just going for the pink look. I got the sock in there. The masks are in here. The microfiber hair towel is in here as well. And then the little snap hair clips are in there. So you can see there's no bow, there's nothing, because the gifts do all the talking. And then this one has kind of all of my leftover pink bits. I added the Assassination Nation, so it kind of has like a pinky red. That's why I added the candy cane, and then all of the other hot pink items in here. And then the gloves are in here as well. So it's just filled with a bunch of little goodies. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys love the Christmas packs, and I will see you next time. Bye.